It's a good question, Julie, and Chip's talking about all this integration that we can do, as well as things to make individuals in a building, user friendliness, right? To make their lives a little bit easier. And really, when you think about a fire alarm system, you're thinking of it more of a reactive system. So something happens and you react to it in the moment. Unfortunately, when we're talking about social distancing and getting our buildings back up and running, that doesn't really go with what we're trying to accomplish, because something happens, you have to react to it. You have to have people that are unexpected in your building. But if you really think about when you're focusing on what fire alarm system you have, if you have a fire alarm system that is more user friendly, then absolutely there are things that you can do. So think about it. I think about two different things. Smoke detectors, for example. If you are able to pull a smoke detector down and replace it without having to program it back into the system, that is definitely something that you can do. The other thing that I think about is going back to audiovisuals. So traditionally, you think about audiovisual systems as a conventional part of an addressable system. And that just basically means that it sits on a zone. You can't identify each individual device. And now there is actually, to go along with the self-test function, you can actually have addressable notification. And what that means is each individual device can be identified individually. And with that, if something goes wrong, you can go and reduce the amount of time for that repair, as well as being able to do some of that stuff in-house because of the user friendliness of those devices.